This short traces the history of bows and firearms, showing how each era reshaped design, materials, and precision. Starting with the bow, early makers optimized string, grip, and limbs, evolving from simple yew to composite designs. Then pistols and rifles emerged, introducing percussion locks, later magazines, triggers, and rifled barrels that improved accuracy. A simple diagram can show a trigger lever, hammer, barrel, and springs, illustrating how energy drives projectile motion. This educational narrative ends with a reminder that the content focuses on history and engineering, not promotion of violence.